Well, hi folks, I'm just going to have a go at plaiting some garlic now for the first time. So apparently what you do is, just to get started off, just prepare the garlic a bit. Just going to cut the roots off. Cut the roots off a few. Peel any loose skins back and just strip any old skins on the stalk back. And then we'll give it a go at plaiting some stuff. Like I said, I've never tried it before. I've been watching a few videos on YouTube, seeing if I can figure out how to do it. And I've been having a bit of a practice. So we will get on in a minute or so and see if we can manage to do it. But like I said at the start, I'm just gonna tidy these garlic bulbs up, take any split skins off. I'm going to keep all the length on because then you can plait the whole thing all the way up apparently. But it's just a matter of tidying them up first. And then you'll be good to go. And apparently the ideal thing is to get sort of bulbs that round roughly the same size. So I'll just sort a few out the same size. Like this sort of size. And we should be good to go. So stay tuned, in about 30 seconds I will be having a go at doing it myself. And we'll see what it looks like. So that's what I'm going to start off with. I'm going to get about a dozen bulbs like that, all sort of trimmed up, cut the roots off, take any sort of papery bits of skin off, and then we'll get on and we'll give it a go and see how we get on. Well, hi folks, I'm going to try something today that I've never tried before. I'm going to try and plait my garlic bulbs because they've all dried up nicely now. So I thought I'd give it a go. I've never tried it before. I've been watching a few videos and they all seem to have different sort of techniques. But I think the way everybody starts is to get three sort of like that at the start. And a lot of them I've seen have just tie a piece of string round the base of the stalk there. But what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to try and plait it all the way. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm just going to try and put a few plaits in to start off to try and secure it. So like I said, I've just been having a little bit of a practice. So we'll try the old left over right, right over left, just to get a few plaits in, just to try and secure them. It'll probably be a bit loose at the start. As you can see, I'm making a pig's ear a bit already. We'll have a go anyway, so you'll have to bear with me. So I'm going to go left over right, into the middle, and then back over with that one, back over with that one. Just a few times, just to get it started. So then we've got a bit of a plait started there, if you can see. Maybe, it's a bit hard with this camera and I'm sat on the floor nearly. So now what I believe you do is you just keep adding them in. So I'll add another one to the middle. And then you put the one you've added, the stem down the middle. It's probably blocking your vision. And then you put the one on the left. We'll start off one on the left over the two there. And that then becomes the middle. Then we'll put one in the right hand side. And again, putting the stalk down the middle. We bring the left hand side over the middle again, which now becomes the middle. And then I'll add another one to the side of that, again with the stalk going down the middle, and then this time the opposite side goes over like so. And then that becomes the middle, so it's left, and I'll put another one in the middle again. And then the left hand side goes over the middle and this new one becomes the middle. So I'm going to put about 12 in this. We'll see what it looks like when we're finished. So put that in there. That becomes the middle stem. And we'll come over with the right one. Or is it the left one? I don't really suppose it matters, to be honest. We'll soon find out anyway. And that then becomes the middle. And again we'll put one on the left. And we'll lap. Sorry, that comes the middle, and then that will lap that bit over. and that then becomes the middle. Apparently, I don't know if I'm right or wrong, we'll see when we're finished anyway. We'll put another one in the middle, and that goes down the middle with the rest, and overlap the right hand side, pull that to the right, and that becomes the middle. We've got two more. We'll put another one there, that goes into the middle, and then the left hand side goes over that. And then the last one goes on the right hand side with the stalk down the middle, and then we'll overlap this one. So that's it so far. So what I'll try and do now, I'll try and plait it a bit tidier all the way up. Don't know whether you can see. So it's going to be left over middle, right over middle, left over middle. Not having ever plaited anything myself, it's all new to me. But we'll see what it looks like. Probably won't look anything like the professional ones. I'll just get rid of all this loose stuff. Is it still in shot? Battery's running out. Oh dear me. So I'm just going to try it like this year, see how we get on, see if they keep as well. Right then, I think that will do. So I've got a nice plait there, as you can see. So what does it look like? That one's a bit low hanging, but the rest of them, they don't look too bad, I don't think. So yeah, for a first go, like I said, that one's a bit low. Might be able to alter that just by twisting it round. There you go, cheated, look, fixed it. So there, that's my first ever go at plaiting garlic. Not so bad, I don't think. So there you go, that's how I'm going to do it this year. Do about 10 bulbs in each bunch and see how they store. But I think it looks quite attractive. And if I can do it, anyone can do it, because I'm not the most dexterous of people. So there we go folks, it's how I plait my garlic this year. See you later.